Hey guys, I am here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So, today we are talking about how to decor trending garden. To decor a trending garden, you can follow these steps. Add trending plants. Research trending plants and incorporate them into your garden. Look for unique or cultivars that are popular at the moment. Consider plants with interesting foliage, vibrant flower, or usual shapes. Incorporate outdoor furniture. Create comfortable and stylish outdoor sitting areas by adding furniture pieces that align with your chosen style. Popular options include weather resistant sofas, chairs, loungers, and dining eat set. So consider the material, colors, and texture that will complement your garden's theme. Install decorative elements. Enhance the visual appeal of your garden by incorporating decorative elements such as sculpture, water feature, bird feeders, or vents. Choose pieces that reflect your personal taste and fit well with the overall style of the garden. So, lightning. Install appropriate outdoor lighting to highlight key features of your garden and create a cozy atmosphere. Consider using string lights, lanterns, or path lights to illuminate walkways and highlight focal points during the evening. Use containers and planters. Utilize containers and planters to add layers and visual interest to your garden. OPG for trending material like creamel metal. Experiment with different shapes, size, and height to create a dynamic agreement. Number 10 is maintain and evolve. Regularly maintain your garden by pouring water and fertilizing as needed. Keep up with the latest gardening trends and evolve evolve your garden over time by incorporating new plants, decor, or design elements. Remember, the most important aspect of decorating your garden is to create a space that you love and